Hello, young explorers! Teacher Rob here. Welcome to our special Earth Day Talking Flashcards video. Today, we're going to learn about our amazing planet, how to take care of it, and why every little action matters. So grab your curiosity hats and let's dive in. Earth Day, April 22nd. On this special day, people all around the world celebrate our planet and learn how to protect it from pollution and harm. Reduce. It means using less stuff. When we reduce, we help save resources and keep our Earth healthy. Turn off the lights. When you leave a room, switch off the lights to save electricity. It's like giving a rest to our planet. Turn off the water. Don't let the water run when you're not using it. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth or washing your hands. Reuse. Instead of throwing things away, use them again. It's like giving old stuff a new life. Reuse paper. Use both sides of paper for drawing or writing. It helps save trees. Reuse bottles. Bottles can be remade into new items such as flower pots or piggy banks. Don't just throw them away. Recycle. Put things like plastic, glass, and paper in special bins. They'll be turned into new things. Recycle plant. Recycle plants can turn waste into useful stuff again. Cool, right? Recycle bin. It's a special container, often blue-colored, where we put recyclable items. Newspaper. A paper with news and stories. After reading, recycle it. Glass bottles. These are made of glass. When empty, you can recycle them. Plastic bottles. Plastic bottles hold drinks. Remember, you can recycle them too. Tin cans. These hold food. Rinse them out and recycle them. If you want more Earth Day content, check out the Reduce, Reuse, Recycle song on BrainSnax. Link in the description. Go green! It means making choices that help our planet, like planting trees. Plant seeds. Put tiny seeds in soil, water them, and watch them grow into plants. Water plants. Give plants a drink by watering them. They'll be happy and show you by growing. Forest. A big area with lots of trees and animals. Forests are like the Earth's lungs. Clean up. Pick up trash and keep our surroundings tidy. Pollution. When bad stuff gets into the air, water, or soil, we need to stop it. Soil pollution. When soil gets dirty and unhealthy, plants can't grow well. Water pollution. When water gets dirty from chemicals or trash, fish and animals suffer. Air pollution. Dirty air can make us sick. Let's keep the air clean. Ozone layer. It's like a protective blanket in the sky. It shields us from harmful sun rays. Air pollution is slowly destroying the ozone layer. Endangered species. These are animals or plants that are at risk of disappearing. We must protect them. Remember, every small action counts. Let's take care of our Earth together. Let's play a cause and effect quiz game. What is cause and effect? It tells us how one event causes another event to happen. For example, cause. It's raining outside. A cause is why something happens. Effect. So I brought my umbrella. An effect is what happens because of it. It's quiz time! Number 1. The factory produces smoke. It creates A. Soil pollution, B. Water pollution, C. Air pollution. C. Air pollution. Number 2. We dump trash into the water. It creates A. Air pollution, B. Soil pollution, C. Water pollution. C. Water pollution. Number 3. If we recycle all recyclable items, it helps to A. Reduce, B. Reuse, C. Water plants. A. Reduce. It helps us to reduce waste. Number 4. If we plant seeds, it helps us to A. Reuse, B. Go green, C. Recycle. B. Go green. Number 5. We dump trash all over the land. It creates A. Air pollution, B. Soil pollution, C. Water pollution. B. Soil pollution. We need to do what we can to take care of this beautiful world that we live on. Go green, everybody! Thanks for watching. See you next time.